Hello dear students of class 9. Today we will start exercise 5th D of the topic factorization. This is video number 6. My dear students, in this exercise we shall learn the application of these two given identities. See the identities. We have already discussed these identities in the previous videos. Here you can see AQ plus BQ can be written as A plus B multiplied with a square minus ab plus b square. After that, see this identity, a cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b multiplied with a square plus ab plus b square. Now dear students, in this exercise, first I am taking question number 19. See question number 19 of exercise 50D. 5.67 multiplied with 5.67 multiplied with 5.67 plus 4.33 multiplied with 4.33 multiplied with 4.33, and here it is given 5.67 multiplied with 5.67 minus 5.67 multiplied with 4.33 plus 4.33 multiplied with 4.33. So dear students, let A is equal to 5.67 and let B is equal to 4.33. Okay, see here, A, we obtain what? A cube plus B means B cube upon, here what is given? 5.67 multiplied with 5.67, and we have already supposed that A is equal to 5.67, therefore we can write A square. Here 5.67 act as A, 4.33 act as B, therefore we can write it as minus AB plus 4.33, we have already let that B is equal to 4.33, so here we can write B square. Dear students, we know that A cube plus B cube can be written as A plus B, A square minus AB plus B square upon A square minus AB plus B square. Now you can see this expression and the expression which is given in the denominator both are same, therefore they cancel each other. Now we obtain what? A plus B. So what is the value of A? 5.67 is the value of A. What is the value of B? 4.33 is the value of B. So the answer of this solution is what? Sum of A plus B. A plus B. This is what? 10. So this is the required answer of problem number 19. Now dear students, see question number 18 of this problem. Question number 18 is what? Show that, okay. See, question number 18. Show that 13 minus cube of 13 minus cube of 5 is divisible by 8. My dear students, we have to solve this problem by using the identity. केवल एक तरीका आपको समझना है. If this expression is divisible by 8, then 8 is the factor of this expression. Keep in mind, if 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8, then 8 must be the factor of this given expression. Now see, here 13 cube minus 5 cube, A act as 13 and 5 act as B. So apply the identity A cube minus B cube, we can write A minus B. A square plus AB plus B square. A cube minus B cube can be written as A minus B multiplied with A square plus AD plus B square. Now dear student, you can see 13 minus 5 is what? 8 into 169 plus 13 5s are 65, 5 5s are 25. This is what? 8 into 259. So you can see this implies that 8 is the factor. 8 is the factor of 13 cube minus 5 cube. यानी जिससे डिवाइड करना है वो जरूर आपको देखना चाहिए प्रॉब्लम में. 8 is the factor of, because the given expression is the multiple of 8. The given expression is the multiple of 8. So we can write 8 is the factor of 13 cube minus 5 cube. This implies that 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. Okay, see the second part. Second part is what? 35 raised to the power 3 plus 27 raised to the power 3 is divisible by 62. My dear students, I have already told you that if this expression is divisible by 62, then 62 must be the factor of this expression. Or in other words, I can say that this expression is the multiple of 62. Now see how we proceed. 35 whole cube plus 27 whole cube. We can apply the identity a cube plus b cube. A plus b. A square minus ab plus b square. Okay, 35 plus 27 is 62 multiplied with 35 whole square minus 35 into 27 plus 27 whole square. अब इससे आगे आपको सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में मैंने आगे सॉल्व कर दिया है, जरूरत नहीं थी. आप यहां तक भी छोड़ते तब भी आप कह सकते थे इस स्टेप के बाद कि दिस इंप्लाइज दैट 8 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ गिवन एक्सप्रेशन. इन द सेम वे आगे सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है. कैलकुलेशन टर्म को छोड़ दीजिए. आप इससे आगे क्या लिख सकते हैं? देखिए आपको दिख रहा है, यू कैन सी हियर 62 इसका फैक्टर है. दिस इंप्लाइज दैट 62 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ 35 whole cube plus 27 whole cube. This implies that given expression is divisible by 62. I hope you understand well, my dear students. Now I am going to take next problem. See, question number 17. Question number 17 is what? 1029 minus 3x cube. Dear students, you can see 3 is common. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 minus x cube. Now 343 is the cube of 7. Now see this expression. This is what? Cube of 7 minus cube of x. Apply the identity a cube minus b cube. A minus b. A square plus ab plus b square. We can write it as 3 times of 7 minus x, 49 plus 7x plus x square. This is the required answer of this problem. Now see question number 16. Question number 16 is what? Factorize the expression 2x cube plus 54 y cube minus 4x minus 12y. Okay? See. If this is first part, this is second part, here what is common? 2 is common. When we take common 2, we obtain what? X cube plus 27y cube. Okay? From this part, we can take common what? We can take common minus 4. If we take minus 4 common, we obtain x plus 3y. Now, see, x cube plus 27y cube. This is the cube of what? This is the cube of x. This is the cube of what? This is the cube of 3y. So this expression can be written as cube of x plus cube of 3y minus 4 times of x plus 3y. Now dear students, see here, if x act as A and 3y act as B, then the given expression get converted into a cube plus b cube. So apply the identity a cube plus b cube now. A plus b, that is x plus 3y. A square means x square minus ab means 3xy plus b square, that is 9y square, minus 4 times of x plus 3y. Okay, now dear students, if this part is the first expression and this part is the second expression, then what is common in between both of these parts? You can see x plus 3y is common. 2 is also common. Take 2 and here 4 is given. In between 2 and 4 what is common? 2. So we can take common 2 times of x plus 3y. After taking common 2 times of x plus 3y, we obtain what? We obtain x square minus 3xy plus 9y square minus 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. This is the required answer of this problem. Now, see the next problem, dear students. See question number 15. A minus b minus a cube plus b cube. See, a minus b, taking common minus 1, the given expression converted to a cube minus b cube. Okay, now you can see here we can apply the identity a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is what? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now if this is the first section, this is the second section, see what is common in between both of these sections. A minus b is common. So taking common a minus b now. A minus b, when we take common a minus b, we obtain what? 1 minus times of the minus a square minus ab minus b square. This is the required answer of problem number 15. Next problem is what? Problem number 14. See problem number 14. A cube, 8a cube minus b cube minus 4ax plus 2bx. Okay, same. Here, this is the cube of what? 2a. This is the cube of what? b. And here we can take common 2 2 2 is 4 a 2x plus b, आई एम सॉरी माइनस है तो ये माइनस आएगा. नाउ सी 2a whole cube minus cube of b, a cube minus b cube. Apply the identity here in this expression. a minus b. a square means the square of this portion. a square plus ab means 2a multiplied with b. We obtain 2ab plus once again see a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square means b square minus 2x into 2a minus b. Okay, now see, this is the first expression, this is the second expression. In both of these expressions you can see we can take common 2a minus b. After taking 2a minus b common, we obtain 4a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2x. This is the required answer of problem number 14. Now, see the next problem, dear students. See, now problem number 13 is also, you can solve problem number 13 by yourself. See question number 12, which is important question. 12th question is an important problem. A raised to the power 6 minus 7a cube minus 8. Okay, see, actually 7 is not a cube of any number. 7 is not the cube of any number. We can write a raised to the power 6 minus 8a cube. In place of minus 7a cube, we write minus 8a cube. minus 7 किसी का क्यूब नहीं है, बट माइनस 8 क्यूब है, तो आपने माइनस 7a क्यूब की जगह क्या लिख दिया? माइनस 8a क्यूब. इट मींस माइनस a क्यूब इंक्रीज कर दिया आपने. माइनस 7a क्यूब माइनस a क्यूब इज व्हाट? माइनस 8a क्यूब. मींस टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब, subtract minus a cube from this expression. माइनस a क्यूब कर दिया. इसका मतलब आपने प्रॉब्लम को चेंज कर दिया. तो उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए एक तरफ अगर आपने माइनस a क्यूब किया है तो प्रॉब्लम को बैलेंस करने के लिए एक तरफ आपको प्लस a क्यूब करना पड़ेगा. तो प्लस a क्यूब माइनस a. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड वेल. नाउ आपको आसानी से समझ में आ गया होगा व्हाट आई वांट टू से. Now, this can be written as a square whole cube minus 2a whole cube plus, here we can write cube of a minus cube of 2. Now apply the identity here first. A minus b, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, plus a cube minus b cube is what? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now see the next step. आपके समझ में आ गया होगा क्या कर रहा हूं मैं. Now see, from this expression I can take common a, and from this expression I can take common a square. means a square from this portion and a from this portion means a cube. We obtain what? A minus 2. A square from that portion means a square plus 2a plus 4. Okay? Plus a minus 2 multiplied with a square plus 2a plus 4. फैक्टराइजेशन में हमेशा एक बात याद रखिए कि यदि कोई चीज कॉमन आ रही है तो उसे हमेशा कॉमन लीजिए। एक्सरसाइज 5th डी पर मैं चल रहा हूं तो 5th ए 5th बी 5th सी तक आपको समझ में आ चुका होगा कि किस तरीके से फैक्टराइजेशन किया जाता है। नाउ यू कैन सी if this is the first expression and this is the second expression, this one is the second expression, common is what now? A minus 2 a square plus 2a plus 4 is common. A minus 2 a square plus 2a plus 4 is common. We obtain what? A cube plus 1. Dear student, we can apply the identity once again here. A cube plus b cube. See. A plus b. A square minus ab plus b square. So this is the required solution of problem number 12. My dear students, I hope that you understand all the problems which I have taught you today. Now dear student, rest of the problems you have to try yourself and practice all the problems very well. And my dear students, if you have any problem, then you can contact me personally on my personal number. Okay, next video will be uploaded soon. Thank you very much.